I see that you're bored with your learning materials, with any textbook you use or any course you follow, and you might be thinking that there is a better way. And maybe you could use even YouTube videos to create your own cool and engaging materials. But you're not sure how to do it. So let me show you how. This is pretty much easy. So follow me. Okay, so here I watched a video, and I think there are some great phrases that I might use in my Hebrew learning, for example. So let's hear this nice lady.
השני יש לו בעיה עם המצבר. התקשרתי ליניב, ומה הוא ענה? מי זאת? נמחקו לי כל המספרים, אין לי כוח. אין לי אותו. אני מת מהיום.
So I want to learn this expression, אין לי כוח. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy the URL of this video, and I'm going to use this small program that is called Any Video Converter. So I'm using it for my personal use. I'm not going to publish it anywhere, just for my personal use. So I don't want to violate any copyright stuff, okay? So I'm gonna hit plus URL, and I'm gonna hit plus, and then I'm pasting, and it downloads this file. When it is done, I'm gonna open this file in any movie maker. I have some program that is called Movavi. Okay, it was a cheap program for about 20 bucks, so you can use it too, or any like video editor, whatever. Okay, so here's my file is ready, and I want to open it. Okay, here's my file, and I'm gonna just drop it into the editor, and here's where the magic happens. Now I'm gonna find this place where she says, where was it?
פקקים, השני יש לו בעיה עם המצבר. התקשרתי ליניב, ומה הוא ענה? מי זאת? נמחקו לי כל המספרים, אין לי כוח.
Okay, אין לי כוח. So I'm going to find where she starts saying אין לי כוח. Okay, let's say it's 20 seconds.
אין לי כוח.
Okay, and okay, and I'm gonna cut it here. Okay, and I'm gonna play, and I'm gonna cut it here. So this one I don't need it, and this one I don't need it. Now I have a very short video. Okay, so I can save it as is and watch it as many times as I want, and I'm gonna learn the gests she's making. Okay. Okay, but then maybe I want just to listen to the way she says, and here's the second part of the magic, how I save it. Okay, I can save just audio. Okay, now here, like in any program, you'll be able to do it. You say export, okay, and I say save audio only, and I'll have an MP3, okay, or I want to save as a video, okay, I want to save it for Android devices. Whatever I want, I can save it and then play it back as a video, as a standalone audio, so whatever I want. Then I can have a whole collection of my videos, audios, and I can mix them the way I want. And let's say I can mix them like a DJ to make dialogues. to make stories, whatever. So just use your fantasy and play with it and be efficient in your language learning. And see you. Bye for now.